Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Military Forces Unleashed. Today, we're navigating the complex waters of the Littoral Combat Ship, LCS, the US Navy's attempt to create a versatile near-shore combat vessel. Designed to operate close to shorelines and perform a range of missions, the LCS has been both praised for its flexibility and criticized for its shortcomings. Let's break down what this ship is all about and why it's been such a controversial addition to the Navy's fleet. The LCS concept emerged in the early 2000s, during a time when the US Navy needed a new class of ships capable of handling nearshore or littoral threats. The idea was to create a fast, agile vessel that could take on everything from mines to small boats to submarines, using modular mission packages that could be swapped out as needed. Two different designs were developed, the Freedom class by Lockheed Martin and the Independence class by Austal USA. The first LCS, USS Freedom, was launched in 2006, with high hopes for a new era of naval warfare. The LCS is built for speed and adaptability. The Freedom class features a traditional monohull, while the Independence class sports a trimaran design. Both classes emphasize modularity, allowing them to switch between mission packages for surface warfare, anti-submarine warfare, and mine countermeasures. These ships are fast, capable of reaching speeds of over 45 knots, about 83 kilometers per hour. However, this versatility comes with trade-offs. The LCS is lightly armed compared to other naval vessels, with limited armor and relatively small crews, making them vulnerable in high-intensity combat situations. Despite being a combat ship, the LCS is not heavily armed. Its standard weapons include a 57mm gun, rolling airframe missiles, RAM, and a variety of machine guns. Depending on the mission package, it can also carry anti-submarine torpedoes, Hellfire missiles, or unmanned vehicles for mine warfare. However, the lack of heavyweight armament has raised concerns about the LCS's ability to defend itself against more serious threats. Critics argue that its weaponry is insufficient for anything beyond low-intensity conflict, leaving it at risk in more hostile environments. The LCS is powered by a combination of gas turbines, diesel engines, and water jets, allowing it to achieve impressive speeds and maneuverability. The Freedom class uses two Rolls-Royce MT-30 gas turbines and two Colt Peel-Stick diesel engines, while the Independence class relies on General Electric LM2500 gas turbines and MTU diesel engines. These propulsion systems make the LCS one of the fastest ships in the Navy, but also one of the most maintenance-intensive. Keeping these ships operational has proven costly and time-consuming, a significant downside for a vessel meant to be rapidly deployable. The LCS has seen action in various roles, including anti-drug operations in the Caribbean and South America, as well as freedom of navigation exercises in the South China Sea. However, its performance in more demanding environments has been mixed. While the modular mission concept is innovative, the swapping of mission packages has not been as seamless as promised. Delays in the development and integration of these packages have limited the LCS's operational effectiveness. Additionally, mechanical issues and maintenance challenges have plagued the fleet, raising questions about the long-term viability of the program. The LCS program has been mired in controversy. Initial cost estimates were around $220 million per ship, but overruns have pushed prices closer to $600 million. Beyond the financials, the ship's survivability in combat has been a major point of criticism. With light armor and limited weaponry, the LCS is not built to withstand significant damage. Its range and endurance are also limited, making it less suitable for extended missions. The Navy has already begun to retire some LCSs early, a clear sign that the program hasn't lived up to expectations. The Littoral Combat Ship was supposed to be the future of naval warfare, but it's become a symbol of the challenges in modern military procurement. While the LCS has shown promise in specific roles, its high costs, maintenance needs, and combat limitations have overshadowed its successes. It's a reminder that versatility often comes at the expense of specialization, and that new technologies don't always deliver on their promises. That's it for our look at the Littoral Combat Ship. If you found this overview insightful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to Military Forces Unleashed for more in-depth analyses of military technology and strategy. See you in the next episode.